What is up, guys? Today we're going to jump in the world of masquerading malware in a picture. Now, this was commonly used by threat actors like the Dark Dakota, the AP28 and the ransomware attacks, where they used putting malware in a picture, and then they used a bit of social engineering and they'd spread it through email, and before you know it, it's on victims' computer and they're downloading it and they're hit by ransomware attacks basically. So it's very easy to follow along. All you need is an exe file, a like JPEG or a PNG file, and WinRAR. Okay, so now we got the now we're in my virtual machine. We need to turn this image into an ICO image. We could do that by grabbing an image, going on to the ICO converter. You put your image in it, get on the file, put your image, and upload your image. Go to the bottom. You select ICO for Windows 10, 11, 7, and 8, 64 by 64. Convert and then download. So as soon as that's downloaded, then I've already done it, and it's by here. So you can see the properties is an ICON file, right? We're going to need that at the end. Now if I go into Task Manager, there you go. As you can see here, there's no malware running at all. We have got my malware here, which is a exe file. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this into this image. So when I send it to someone, they can open the image, like, oh, it's an image. And then when they close it down, I've infected them with malware, ideally, right? This is educational. So I'm going to highlight them both. I'm going to archive them. I'm going to call it what I want. I'll go discord.jpg, right? Because it's an exe file, because I got an exe file in it, I need to be executable still. So I'm going to go create SFX, go into advanced and SFX options. I go up to setup. Now we need to disassemble it in order. So I'm going to go discord capital D dot PNG. It's a PNG file. It is very case sensitive. If you get anything that's wrong, it will flag up. Right, PNG, and then the next one be malware.exe. Then we go to modes. We're going to go to silent mode and hide all. Advanced, nothing in there. Module, nothing there. Silent text icon. So this is where the ICO file comes in. Browser, IC icon. Okay, we'll go update. We're going to extract or update all files and overwrite all files. Okay, and okay, and there it is. That's how fast it was to make it, right? So imagine we sent this to someone. Show you my taskbar. There's no malware running. I'm going to open the file, and it's just an image of Discord. Like, oh, it's just an image of Discord. As you can see, nothing else popped up. There's nothing else. There's no back screens. There's no consoles. And nothing. I got all that hidden. I'm going to close it down. I'm going to go to task. Oh, there. I'm going to go to Task Manager, and you can see we've got malware there running in the background. So that's how easy it was to just put malware into a picture, send it to someone, they open it, it's just a picture, but what they don't realise is they've been infected with malware. That's all I wanted to show really. If you wanted to go into more deeper of malware development like I am, I got another video where I go into assembly mode and I put my malware in a code cave. You hit that video here, and then also if you're not into malware development but you thought this was quite cool, I owe you into CTFs. I made an awesome Mmap video where you can use scripts for vulnerability finding as well, and which will also be here as well. So make sure you check them out, like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.